Imagine you hand your phone to a friend or family member, but you don't want them to see your private photos. Sounds familiar, right? In today's video, I'm going to show protect private photos on Samsung Galaxy phones and keep your personal memories safe. Step 1. Enable Gallery Labs first. Open the Samsung Gallery app on your device. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, then go to Settings Vapies. Scroll down and select About Gallery. Here you will see the version number. Tap on it repeatedly about 7 to 10 times until a message appears confirming that Gallery Labs is enabled. This unlocks advanced hidden features inside the Gallery app. Step 2. Activate album entry locks. Now go back to the main gallery settings page. Scroll down to the bottom where you will find a new option called Gallery Labs. Open it carefully. Inside, look for album entry locks and turn the toggle on. After enabling this feature, it is recommended to restart the Gallery app by closing it from recent apps and reopening it to apply the changes properly. Step 3. Lock your private album. Next, open your gallery and find the album you want to secure. Press and hold the album to select it. Tap the More option, 3 dots, located at the bottom or top corner, depending on your device model. From the menu, select Lock Album. Once activated, the album will be protected and can only be accessed using your fingerprint, pattern, or pin lock, depending on your phone's security settings. Now your photos are safely locked and accessible only by you, giving you full control over your privacy. If you found this tutorial useful, feel free to support the channel by liking and sharing the video. Subscribe for more easy and practical mobile tips.